Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are fixing a common issue many VirtualBox users face, the mouse cursor pointer problem. First I will show you the issue with the mouse cursor pointer. As you can observe, the pointer continuously jumps to the top left corner when I hover over my virtual machine. To address this, make sure your virtual machine is powered off. Click on the virtual machine you're having issues with, then hit Settings. Now, go to the System tab. Check the Pointing Device option. Select USB tablet. This can often resolve cursor issues. Alright, save those settings and start your virtual machine. Once it's up and running, check if your mouse cursor is functioning properly. Good job, we just solved the mouse cursor pointer problem in VirtualBox.